guys, and welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to be testing out Karina Garcia's Make Your Own Slime Kit. At Target the other day and I saw this really cool slime kit that looked like a lot of fun, and I'm so excited to try this one out, and I really hope you guys enjoy. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so as always before we start, I'm going to take you down to my slime and squishy area where I can go ahead and pick out my supplies, but first I'm going to show you the guinea pigs. So here are the three piggies: Snickers, Cinnamon, and S'mores. They are all super sweet. Now I'm going to show you a couple clips of them running around in floor time earlier this week. Moving on, now I'm going to show you the slime kit that I'm going to be reviewing. So here's the slime kit that I'm going to be reviewing. So this one is called Karina Garcia's Make Your Own Slime Kit, and I picked this one up from Target for around $20. I've seen a lot of Karina Garcia's slime in stores recently, so when I saw this kit, I thought it looked like a lot of fun, so I'm really excited to try this one out. So here's everything that comes inside the box. So you get one bottle of slime glue, one bottle of white craft glue, some slime activator, a bag of water gel powder, blue glitter, a mixing cup, fizzing color tablets, a straw, glow coloring powder, and some instructions. So to start off with the first slime recipe, the instructions say to measure out 2 tablespoons of glue to make a clear slime. Now the instructions say you can double the amount of glue to make a bigger slime, so I went ahead and added 2 extra tablespoons of clear glue. Next, to make the slime super nice and sparkly, I'm going to go ahead and mix in some blue glitter. Now I'm going to go ahead and activate the slime. The instructions say to measure out 1 teaspoon of activator and mix until it turns into slime. Now I found that 1 teaspoon of activator wasn't enough, so I went ahead and mixed in a little bit more until it turned into a really nice slime. So here's the first slime all completed. This slime turned out really nice. It has very nice clicking noises, it's very stretchy, and it also has really nice bubble pops. Now this slime does leave a little bit of glitter on your hands, but other than that, I really like this slime. So now to start off with the second slime, I'm going to go ahead and measure 2 tablespoons of clear glue. Next, to give the slime a super fun color, I'm going to go ahead and dissolve 1 blue coloring tablet. Thought it would be super fun to mix red and blue to get a purple slime, so I went ahead and put a red tablet into the glue. When I mixed it all together, the color turned out a lot darker than I thought it was going to be, but I was okay with it. So when I was filming this video, I actually misread the directions. I thought the next step was to measure 2 tablespoons of water and pour it into the slime, but I was reading the white glue-based slime instructions. So that was 100% my fault. That was not the kit's fault, but unfortunately I messed up on that step. Now it's time to activate the slime. So I'm going to go ahead and measure 1 teaspoon of activator and pour it into the glue. So here's the second slime all completed. This slime turned out super nice and stretchy. It had great clicking noises, and it also had really nice bubble pops. Now this slime did have a very wet residue because I added all the water, but again, that was 100% my fault. I misread the directions, but other than that, I thought this slime turned out pretty good. To make the next slime, the instructions say to measure out 2 tablespoons of white glue to make a white glue slime. Now to turn this into a pink slime, I'm going to go ahead and mix in 1 of the coloring tablets. The next step is to measure 2 tablespoons of water and pour it into the glue. Now it's time to activate the slime. I did add a little too much on accident, so the slime was a little overactivated, but the slime still turned out really nice. So here's the third slime all completed. This slime turned out really nice. It has great clicking noises and it also has really nice bubble pops. Now this slime is kind of hard to stretch because I overactivated it, but other than that, I really like this slime. Now to make the next slime, I'm going to go ahead and measure 2 tablespoons of white glue. Now to make the slime glow in the dark, I'm going to go ahead and mix in an entire packet of glow coloring powder. I'm also going to go ahead and mix in a yellow coloring tablet just to give the slime some extra color. Next, I'm going to measure 2 tablespoons of water. Now it's time to activate the slime, so I'm going to go ahead and measure 1 teaspoon of activator and pour it into the glue. So here's the 4th slime all completed. I really liked how this slime turned out. It turned out pretty stretchy, although it wasn't as stretchy as the other slimes. This slime also has great clicking noises and it has really nice bubble pops as well. When I brought the slime into a dark room, it was actually glowing in the dark. I've had trouble finding store-bought slimes that actually glow in the dark, so when I saw this, I was really happy to see that it was working. The slime is a lot brighter than it looks on camera and it's just so much fun to play with. And now to make the next slime, I'm going to go ahead and pour 2 tablespoons of white glue. Next, to give the slime a fun color, I'm going to go ahead and mix in a blue coloring tablet. Now it's time to activate the slime. And again, I'm going to measure 1 teaspoon of activator and pour it into the glue. So here's the 5th slime all completed. This slime texture feels pretty similar to the last one. It has great clicking noises and it also has really nice bubble pops as well. And finally, to make the last and final slime, I'm going to go ahead and measure 2 tablespoons of clear glue. And now to give the slime a super fun color, I'm going to go ahead and mix in a pink coloring tablet. Now it's time to activate the slime, and again I'm going to measure 1 teaspoon of activator and pour it into the glue. So here's the last and final slime all completed. This one turned out really nice. It turned out super nice and stretchy. It has great clicking noises and it also has really nice bubble pops. Overall, I really liked this slime kit. All the slimes were super easy and fun to make, and they all turned out super nice. The clear slimes were definitely a lot more stretchy than the white glue slimes, but other than that, I really liked this slime kit and I would definitely recommend it. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below which slime was your favorite. And again, be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And if you guys like to check out my Instagram page, I'll be sure to leave a link down below. I hope you guys are having an amazing day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!